Welcome. Sit up. Eyes closed. Let's ground you into the present moment. Take a 4-second soft inhale. And exhale from your mouth for 6 seconds, slowly. Let's repeat. A 4-second inhale. And a 6-second exhale. Again, a 4-second inhale. And a 6-second soft exhale. Again, a 4-second inhale. And a soft exhale for 6 seconds. Now, let's get into the present moment with focus on your heart. Your beautiful heart, your beautiful heart, your beautiful heart. There is nothing to do for next few moments. These are your few minutes to ground yourself in the present moment. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be, no one to please except you for next few minutes. Stay present, stay present, stay present. Focus on your heart, focus on your heart, focus on your heart. Allow your thoughts, feelings, sensations, anything that comes up. Just watch them. The way we look at traffic from an airline up above, just observing. No need to attach any emotion to it. No need to analyze it. For next few moments, we empty our mind. We become the present moment. We get out of our own mind. And the more empty we become, the more we allow our higher self to come through us. Your higher self that is always listening knows how to guide you in a way that is good for you. Our mind thinks, but our heart knows. So let's connect with our heart, stay present, become empty, be the observers, and allow and trust for whatever to happen by surrendering, simply allowing. You are safe. In this moment, with your heart. Keep your attention on your heart. Stay present. Stay curious of anything that arises. Curiosity of emptiness. Just watching, observing. No analyzing. Don't connect any emotional charge to anything. Just watch. As you breathe in and out, focused on your heart. You're giving your heart energy. You're allowing it to open up. You're allowing your heart to relax. Stay present. Stay present. Stay present. Now gently exhale all the way. Pull your stomach in. Straighten your back. Do a ��𝐏𝐿, squeeze your perineum. Slowly inhale as you take your attention all the way to the top of your head. Tighten your back and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's do it again. Exhale all the way. Straighten your back. Gently pull your stomach in and hold it there. Squeeze your number 1. Do a �𝐿. And as you inhale, take your attention to the top of your head. Imagine there's something on top of your head. And hold your breath. Tighten your back. Hold everything tight for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Last one now. Exhale all the way. Pull your stomach in. Do a 𝐿 and hold it. Straighten your back, and as you inhale, take your attention to the top of your head. Tighten your back and hold everything. And when you're ready, relax. 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 With your attention on all the empty space around your head. Feel the energy in the air around you. It's full of frequency. The essence of you is love. There's wholeness in you. There's a divine healer inside of you. The divine infinite intelligence lives within you. You are greater than you think. You are more powerful than you know. You are more unlimited than you could ever dream. You trust yourself. You believe in yourself. Now, take your time, and when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and keep this energy alive within you throughout the day and night. I am proud of you.